Let's start the interview. Sure. So basically, uh, yes, sure. So working with AWS technology like EC2, RDS, and S3 and VPC is essential for like DevOps as a DevOps engineer, as they form the foundation of the cloud infrastructure. So the in my organization, I have used these to infrastructure as a code, automating the infrastructure using like Ansible, Cloud Formation. The tool I have used, and like pipelining, I have used Jenkins and GitHub Actions for that. And for monitoring and logging system on cloud, we are using like CloudWatch, Prometheus, or like ELK stacks, and like security and compliance is we are using managing IAM roles and security groups and data encryption as well. And also we have also implemented the uh, like a sizing resource and using auto scaling in cloud costs. Yeah. For that, we are for that. Yeah, sure. So basically, for automation and configuration management tools, uh, for that our system is up 24/7. So we are we have to implement infrastructure as a code for automation, and we have to implement security best practices with configuration management, and we also have to implement that like infrastructure as a code, high availability and fault tolerance, and we also have to set up the like continuous monitoring and incident response. For each of those, what we are infrastructure as a code, we are using Ansible, and for security best practices, what we have implemented IAM policies and role based control access, and also for the like security best practices, we are like implemented the Azure AWS guard duty, and high availability we have using ALB and NLB for the like auto scaling and load balancers, and like monitoring and incident response we are using AWS CloudWatch and Prometheus for that to the real time log and metrics for the performance. Yeah, these are the like tools we are using. Yeah, sure. So, for a Ansible, Docker, and Jenkins context, like we are for Ansible, we have to different installation and configuration management we are doing. Like we have to install anything on the different, we have like we have running on multiple servers. So if you want to install anything on the servers, for that we have to use Ansible. And if you want to update, if you want to perform update, and if you want to do some configuration management. And recently I did using Ansible. I did we have to add an entry on the health check. No, we have different servers, so we have different server and we have different applications running on that. So we have to check that, we have to we have to add some new entries that we have in monitoring list. So for monitoring list we have to I have to write the script that will add entry. And for Docker, what we are using for Docker, we have to we have to containerize the applications and deploy it via Kubernetes. And Jenkins we are using for pipelines. Yeah, that's it. So Linux administration, as in DevOps, we have to daily use of Linux. Our all the servers are running on the Ubuntu. That is we have approximate 70 to 80 servers. Every server is running on Linux. So I also implement a security hardening that using bash scripting and automation. The tool I have used. So for that, I can say I have a strong background in Linux as well, because I worked on the lots of automation via Bash scripting and via Python and via security hardening. That is one of the most I did for that. Yeah, yeah. That's the overall scenario that I have a good expertise in Linux. Terraform and AWS Cloud Formation, I don't have any professional experience in that, but I have a similar tool that is called Ansible. I have experience in that tool, so I will be more comfortable in Ansible, not Terraform. But if I get a chance to learn Terraform or AWS Cloud Formation, then I will be ready to do that. Can you provide the evaluation feedback? Yeah, what are the next step for that? Do I need to stay or do I need to end this call? Yeah, just like want to know, is this a final round or is this the like a first or second round? After that, any further round should be there, or that's the like last round. Yeah. Is this the interview is over, or should I need to wait for more questions you are going to ask? Okay, so can I drop the call or yeah? Thank you, thank you.